welcome to Curiosity Month. All month long during the month of September, I'm going to be bringing you fun videos on how I spark curiosity in my homeschool. And there's going to be a little bit of Curious George in there because we love Curious George around here. And September is actually where the first book of Curious George is celebrated, when it was published back in 1941. So on September 17th, it's actually Curiosity Day, but I take that one step further and give you Curiosity Month and share a little bit of fun Curious George videos. I just shared Curious George sensory bins, and I will be sharing hopefully one more Curious George inspired video, but I'm also sharing how I spark curiosity in my homeschool. So check out the playlist and see the videos that I've already posted, and keep coming back to see the videos that I'm going to be sharing as well. Usually I share 4 videos in the month of September. I've been doing this for 2 years. This is the 3rd year, but this year I'm hoping to share 8 videos with you. So this is the biggest curiosity month yet. So definitely stay tuned and check out that playlist and keep coming back because September is not over yet. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the MakeDo Create Cardboard Tools box. I do have it out of the sleeve because I have already filmed the unboxing part for you, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you the cardboard sleeve that is on it for the intro. So this is a really, really cool company called MakeDo, and they have these safe tools for kids to work on cardboard projects. A seesaw, a rotator, then a screwdriver, and then this is like a little pokey tool to punch the holes in the cardboard safely. You're not jabbing scissors in and like getting hurt. And then they have different size screws that work with the tools. And there's also a lot of new stuff now since I purchased this, but I ended up getting the 20 tools, 240 connectors. I have ordered more screws since this box, but I picked up a bigger set so that they could have friends over and stuff, and this was on sale. And this is for 4 to 8 makers. So I figured, you know what, I already have 4 kids. Eventually they're all going to want to be building and making, possibly. So I picked that up. I already had 3 kids. I have 4 kids, but one is not really working with these tools yet, but eventually he will be. But I think when I purchased this, the boys really, really wanted it, and I wanted to spark that curiosity in homeschool. I think the kit where it was starting at 3 might have been out of stock. But this one, so you get the screwdriver, you get 4 of those in this set, you get 6 safe saws, 6 mini tools, which this is the mini tool, and then, where is it here, you get 4 of the fold rollers, so, and then 180 small screws and 60 longer screws. So the longer ones connects up to 5 layers, and the smaller screw that you get connects up to 3 layers of cardboard. So super, super cool. And the mini tool, just like the screwdriver but mini. So when you're working in a tight spot, this little one is going to be your friend. And it also has the little pokey part on it as well, so you can get into tight spaces. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this and open it up. So I got the 260 pieces for 4 to 8 makers. It comes with 20 tools and 240 connectors, and I think this needs ages 5 plus. Yeah, not for children under 3 years old. So let's pull this open. This slides off, and this here opens up like this, and then you have a handy compartment for all of the goodies,
And I think you can take one of these and put it through there to hold it in place, is what I think you can do. Okay, so it has all of the tools bundled together, and these tell you different things. So it has 3 of these ones where you can punch a hole for the screw, which you get all of these screws, and then you've got this one which glide at a 45-degree angle for the perfect fold line. So this helps you fold the cardboard. So there's 4 of those and 4 of these ones, and then you have the saws, which just of course saws through the paper, the cardboard of your choice. And I'm touching this right now. It is not sharp. It can not hurt your fingers, but it can definitely go through cardboard. And then there is these. I do not know all of the technical terms of these off the top of my head, but these here, smaller size for snug spaces. This end works just like a screwdriver. So this is like a mini screwdriver, and you can use this like that. And yeah, so I'm going to, it's just taped on. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's actually 7 of those. And then you have a piercer on this end as well. And then this one has 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. This is the piercer, and then I think you can use this as a screwdriver as well as this one. Like this. You can use this here like this as well. So we're tightening that in, and I believe you can also use this one. It fits in here as well. Definitely. This is also your screwdriver to work with the screws that come with it. And then you can also, this side note, but this would pierce through the paper. And let's open these ones up. Okay, so they do have the names on the side actually. This is the fold roller, so this helps you fold. Then this is the screwdriver, and this is called the safe saw. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4 of the fold rollers, and then looks like 4 of these smaller ones. And then all of the screws, and there is a lot of the screws, but then you get this handy dandy thing. So if you have a bunch of friends over, that is why I got this. I want to invite other kids over and let them have a party, and so everything is in one place. You can definitely go ahead and buy more screws, and there's more gadgets on their website. But I love that it comes right out of the box with a place to store everything. It's like a little toolbox. I think that is so, so cute. I think you could actually put another screw right here to hold it in place better. So let's try this tool out. So that is the piercer. Let's add another screw in there. And that's going to screw through. Oh, so good. And hold that in place. And then we need to release it. So yeah, that's going to hold it in place really, really well. And you have all of your different tools. And that one can also, let's just tighten that a little more. Love that. All of the tools can fit in here. So, so cool. I love this. The kids, I know my boys and my daughter. My youngest is still too little for this, but all of the other kids are super, super excited for it, and they're excited to have friends over to create some cardboard creations. And I'm excited to see what they make. I just want to use them all. All right, so that is the unboxing, and I will try and keep you updated on this fun box.
Today's video, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this, and definitely look into it. MakeDo, open-ended creativity with upcycled cardboard. I love that this is also a way to reuse and recycle and teach our kids about the environment as well while they are creating and using their imaginations to build and create. So give this video a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to inspire you along the way, and definitely come back again for more ways that we spark curiosity in our homeschool. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.